as we explore the community that is perfect for your family. Welcome to 𝐶𝑉𝑒𝑟A, Mabalacat. A 60-hectare township at the center of Mabalacat City with 4,685 houses and counting along MacArthur National Highway. 15 minutes away from SM Clark International Airport, Angeles City Hall, Marquee Mall, and across 𝐶𝑉𝑒RA is a proposed Ayala Techno Hub. Definitely all that you need in one place is just right here in 𝐶𝑉𝑒RA, Mabalacat. Robinson's Mall, Mercury Jug, 7-Eleven, and Star Mall. Walking distance to the City Hall of Mabalacat with tough security surrounding the vicinity. Holy Mass, weddings, baptism are celebrated here in Santuario de San Angelo. We know the importance of education. That is why we made sure that each and every child who lives in 𝐶𝑉𝑒RA gets the privilege to study in Dallas School for free and up until college in Mabalacat City College. Take note, once you live in 𝐶𝑉𝑒RA, your children's education is free. 𝐶𝑉𝑒RA made it possible for you to enjoy the complete amenities. We know that this is the community that you've been dreaming of. So let me take you and show you Townhouse A, Townhouse B, and Townhouse C. Welcome to Townhouse A with a lot area of 45.50 square meters and a floor area of 45.20 square meters. As you enter, you will feel how spacious the unit is, bonding with your family in your living area, adjacent to your dining and your kitchen, and where you have a built-in cabinet, and of course, a sink and a faucet, a concrete table in where you can place your stove to prepare food for your family. We also have an outdoor area in where you can store your things and even do your lunch. 2 steps up is your toilet and bath, complete with tiles, sink, toilet, and a shower. Going up the second floor, you have your 2-bedroom, the master bedroom, and a bedroom for your children. Let's see what is in store for us at Townhouse B. Welcome to Townhouse B with a lot area of 35 square meters and a floor area of 37.40 square meters. Your dining, your living room, and your kitchen with a concrete tabletop with faucet, sink, and a cabinet. We have the outdoor area in where you can place your things, and you can even do your laundry here. Two steps up is your toilet and bath with tiles, complete with sink, toilet, and a shower. Heading up to the second floor where you have your master bedroom and a room for your children. How about a sneak peek at the Townhouse C? May I tell you that this unit is perfect for a single and young couple with a lot area of 35 square meters and a floor area of 34.35 square meters. This is the only unit that has a high ceiling, giving you a feel of having your own space that you may call your own as you build your beautiful family. Your living area, your dining, and your kitchen with a concrete tabletop, a faucet, a sink, a cabinet, and of course, we have an outdoor area in where you can place your things and even do your laundry. A step up to your toilet and bath with tiles, complete with sink, toilet, and a shower. You have to see the second floor because here you have two rooms, the master and another room in where you can place and store your things, and perfect to convert it to your baby room. There you have it, Townhouse A. Townhouse B. Townhouse C. 𝐵𝐸 is under a new management of Westchester Realty Corporation, awarded by Pag-ibig Fund last February 2020. Why rent if you can buy? How? Follow these steps. Number 1. Choose your townhouse unit now until September 30, 2020 to avail the promo discount. Number 2. Settle your reservation fee for only 50,000 pesos. If you choose Townhouse A, avail the 80,000 peso discount with a selling price of 1,525,000 pesos with a down payment of 5% or 62,000 pesos only, payable in flexible terms. Monthly amortization. For 5 years, 28,793.78 pesos. For 10 years, 16,896.50 pesos. For 15 years, 13,061.5 pesos. For 20 years, 11,236.30 pesos. For 25 years, 10,210.90 pesos. For 30 years, 9,580.34 pesos. Townhouse B, avail the 70,000 peso discount with a selling price of 1,240,000 pesos with a down payment of 5% or 48,000 pesos only, payable in flexible terms. Monthly amortization. For 5 years, 23,407.46 pesos. For 10 years, 13,736.81 pesos. For 15 years, 10,619.18 pesos. For 20 years, 9,135.94 pesos. For 25 years, 8,302.45 pesos. For 30 years, 7,789.90 pesos. Townhouse C, avail the 60,000 peso discount with a selling price of 1,150,000 pesos with a down payment of 5% or 43,000 pesos only, payable in flexible terms. Monthly amortization. For 5 years, 21,730.81 pesos. For 10 years, 12,741.55 pesos. For 15 years, 9,849.6 pesos. For 20 years, 8,472.95 pesos. For 25 years, 7,699.65 pesos. For 30 years, 7,224.11 pesos. For Pag-ibig loan, you may avail from 5 years up to 30 years loan financing at a very low interest rate. For Pag-ibig loan guidelines, number 1, eligibility. An active member with at least 24 months of contribution. For non-members, you may apply and pay the lump sum for the 24-month contribution. Not more than 65 years old from the date of application and not more than 70 years old at the date of loan maturity. Legal capacity to acquire and encumber real property. No Pag-ibig housing loan foreclosed, canceled, or voluntarily surrendered. If with existing Pag-ibig loan account, payments must be updated. Number 2, checklist of requirements. Fill up housing loan application form, proof of income, government valid IDs. Number 3, submit the housing loan application and other requirements to Westchester. Loan counseling of Pag-ibig Fund will be assisted by Westchester. Upon notice of loan approval, you can move in after 7 days. For locally employed, you may submit any of the following: notarized certificate of employment and compensation indicating the gross monthly income and monthly allowances or monthly monetary benefits received by the employee. Latest income tax return with attached BIR form number 2316, stamped received by the BIR. Certified 1-month payslip within the last 3 months prior to date of loan application. For self-employed, you may submit any of the following: ITR, audited financial statements, an official receipt of tax payment from bank supported with DTI registration and mayor's permit, business permit. Commission vouchers reflecting the issuer's name and contact details for the last 12 months. Bank statements or passport for the last 12 months. Copy of lease contract and
Join
tax
me as we
declaration.
explore the community.
Certified true copy of transport franchise issued by appropriate government agency. Certificate of engagement issued by owner of business. Other document that would validate source of income. For overseas Filipino workers, you may submit any of the following: employment contract. Employment contract between employee and employer or POEA standard contract. Certificate of Employment and Compensation. CEC written on the employer or company's official letterhead. Or CEC signed by employer. For household staff and similarly situated employees. Supported by a photocopy of the employer's ID or passport. Income tax return filed with host country or government. Note: if documents are in foreign languages, English translation is required.
That's it! Easy steps to avail your dream home in Severa, Mabalacat. We hope to hear from you, and we can't wait for your dream to become a reality. I am 𝐨𝐼𝐹 Valencia for Severa, Mabalacat, building homes for the Filipino family.
Let's hear the message from our chairman, Mr. Rodolfo G. Valencia.
In behalf of Westchester Realty Corporation, the new owner of Severa project in Pampanga, and the RGV Real Estate Center, as marketing managers, let me welcome all of you to our projects. The Severa Mabalacat, Severa Bacolor, and Samira Angeles. These projects are considered among the best township project in the Philippines today, with complete amenities and facilities for convenient lifestyle, to live, work, study, play, and pray that the homeowner and their families will need. To top it all, your children can have free education up to grade 10 and free college at the Mabalacat City College. These projects are situated in very prime locations, very close to Clark Economic Zone, the International Airport, Clark Green City, Global City, which is projected to have a population of 1.2 million and is expected to provide something like 800,000 job opportunities. Thus, 𝐵𝐸RA, Mabalacat, 𝐵𝐸RA Bacolor, and Samira projects do not only address housing needs, but also employment and livelihood opportunities. I call it housing cum livelihood. 𝐵𝐸RA is already developed with complete roads, drainage, power, and water supply connections. The initial 5,000 ready for occupancy or RFO housing units are now in various stages of reconstruction. The contractors will assure the home buyers that they will be moving in to almost brand new homes. And the townhouse units are very competitive and affordable with only 5% down payment. So why rent when you can own your own home? Qualified members of Pag-ibig Fund can avail of housing loan on a 5-year to 30 years term. And home buyers can move in to the new home in 7 days from loan takeout. By the way, this project fully supports the Balik Provincia program of the national government under Executive Order 113 of President Duterte with Senator Bongo, with the support and endorsement of the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development through the leadership of Secretary Eduardo S. Del Rosario. Let me acknowledge the support of Pag-ibig Fund for providing long-term financing to our home buyers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.